See, mine is way more bigger. It is bigger. It is
There's a competition between the yoga mats.
in your yoga
Ma'am,
mat
let
is
us start.
same.
Yes, ma'am, let us start.
Full mat. Mine your yoga mat is same.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Are you all doing fine?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Are you all taking care of yourselves?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Very good. Good to hear this. Okay.
yes,
So we are in our ending of the summer camp, right? And I'm
ma'am.
going to
To
miss you
tell you
all
something.
kids.
Excuse me, ma'am. I was not able to make the, which you let us make from the Monaco biscuits. I was not able to make because I was not able to join.
Okay, okay. I have sent the video बच्चा of that. वो recording भेजा है मैंने बच्चा.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try to make it from the recording only.
हाँ, you can make it from the recording. If any doubt you are having na, if any kind of doubt you are having, you can give me a call.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Adya Shukla, right? Yes, I got your message also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So first we'll be doing our yoga. Surya Namaskar we will be starting. Then we will be doing some sitting and standing poses of yoga. I would request everyone now to be on mute so that we can start our day. Right? Then we will be having our dance. Okay? Okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
There are a few kids who have joined now. I request all of you to write your names in the chat box. I request all of you to write your names in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Yes, bacha.
I have written in the name in the chat
हाँ
box.
जिसने लिख लिया है कोई बात नहीं. जिसने लिख लिया है कोई बात नहीं. Okay? We will be starting with yoga. Are you all able to see me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? First step, join your hands. Stand up, stand straight. First step, join your hands. ओके मैं ना साइडवेज करके दिखाती हूँ. मैं साइडवेज करके दिखाती हूँ. आप लोग सीधा फॉलो कर सकते हैं. ओके. सेकेंड स्टेप, स्ट्रेच बिहाइंड. सेकेंड स्टेप, स्ट्रेच बिहाइंड. थर्ड स्टेप, bend down. Keep your knees straight. Third step, bend down. Keep your knees straight. Try to touch the hand to your feet. Now fourth step, राइट वाला जो नी है वो आगे, लेफ्ट वाला पीछे, hands on the ground and you have to see up. Very good. Now दोनों भी legs पीछे, lower body should be down but in the air, hands on the ground and you have to look up. Now, next step, only your hip portion should be up, rest all body should be down. From your chest, next step is from your chest, your body should be up, rest all down. Hands should be straight. Your palm should be touching the ground. Then mountain pose. Again the fourth pose then, but this time left leg आगे, left knee आगे, right पीछे. See आप? Again, bend down. Try to touch your hand to your feet. Knee को bend नहीं करना. Then stretch behind. Then namaskar position. Namaskar position. Okay? We'll do again. We'll be doing again. Okay, kids? आप लोगों को मैं क्लियरली दिख रही हूँ ना करते हुए?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, it's a little bit blur.
नहीं बच्चा मेरा स्क्रीन ब्लर नहीं है. आद्या शुक्ला क्या मेरा स्क्रीन ब्लर है?
No, ma'am, your screen is clear.
नो बच्चा मेरा स्क्रीन ब्लर नहीं है.
Ma'am, you are looking very small. I will you. I'm on mobile.
ओके हाँ तो मोबाइल में तो बच्चा ऐसा ही दिखेगा बिकॉज बिग स्क्रीन में बिग दिखता है.
Yes,
देन
ma'am.
आई
I'm
विल
also doing with mobile. You are looking
Okay.
very small.
we will start again. ओके मैं साइडवेज कर रही हूँ आप लोगों को समझ में आए इसके लिए. फर्स्ट स्टेप जॉइन योर हैंड. Join your hands. Second step, stretch behind. Third step, bend down. Try to touch your hands to the feet and knees should not be bended. Fourth step, left knee ahead. Right knee ahead. Left behind. Hands, palms touch to the ground. And see up. Fifth step, incline down. Your body should be lower but flying. Sixth step, your only hip portion should be up. Seventh, your chest portion should be up. Eighth is like a mountain. Eighth is like a mountain. Ninth again, left knee ahead, right behind. Hands on the ground, see up. 10th is bend down. 11th is stretch behind. 12th is join your hands. Okay? Okay, everyone? जो लोग भी अभी अभी ज्वाइन हुए हैं, kindly write your names in the chat box. I am seeing many kids who are joining after 10:30. So please write your names in the chat box. Okay. Again we will do Surya Namaskar. I am doing sideways. Join your hands. First step, join your hands. Stretch behind. Bend down. Right knee ahead, left knee behind. Palms on the ground, see up. Then body lower plank position, hands on the ground. Now only your hip portion should be up. Now from your chest, your portion should be up. Like a mountain now. Again, left knee ahead, right behind. Hands on the ground, see up. Bend down again. Stretch behind. Join your hands. Okay. Now I will be seeing and understanding that are you all understanding the concept of Surya Namaskar or not? So I want you all to do. I will be seeing and understanding.
Ma'am, how many Surya Namaskars we need to do?
अभी तक हमने 5 बार ही किया ना.
Ma'am, we have done the 3 times only.
3 times. हाँ 3 times किया. Right. सी जो मुझे बोल रहा था ना कि मैं छोटी लग रही हूँ, मोबाइल में ना एक ऑप्शन है फुल स्क्रीन करने का. यू कैन फुल स्क्रीन मी, तो आपको सिर्फ मैं दिखूंगी और आप दिखोगी. ओके ओके. सो अगेन वी विल डू 2 times, देन आई विल सी यू ऑल. ओके. Join your hands. Stretch behind. Bend down. नी को बेंड नहीं करना. ट्राई टू टच योर हैंड टू द फीट. राइट नी को आगे, लेफ्ट नी पीछे. Palms on the ground, see up. Then incline plank position, lower plank. Now only your hip position should be up. Now from your chest, the position should be up. Mountain pose. Again, left knee ahead, right knee behind. Hands on the ground, see up. Bend down. Stretch behind. Join your hands. Okay. Again we will do one more time. कौन रमेश बियानी के नाम से ज्वाइन हुआ है? Okay, join your hands. Stretch behind. Bend down. Right knee ahead, left knee behind. Hands on the ground. See up. Incline plank position, lower body down, butt in the air, hands on the ground. Now only your hip position should be up. Now from your chest, your position should be up. Mountain position. Left knee ahead, right knee behind. Hands on the ground, see up. Bend down. Stretch behind. Then namaskar position. Okay. Sit for a minute. Drink water. Sit for a minute. Drink water. Then you all will show me. Have you all understood the Surya Namaskar or not? I will see. Okay? Sit and drink water. Take a minute break. Sit and drink water. Bhavya, have you joined?
Ma'am, she has not joined. Her classes are there. Her online classes.
Okay, okay. So you all will be starting your school soon, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
21st June starting my school.
मैं स्कूल परसों चालू होने वाला है
Okay.
My school is starting 21st June.
Okay. Okay, everyone ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Stand up straight. Yes. Step number 1, Namaskar position. Step number 2, step number 3, bend down. विधि ऐसे मत करो बेटा. Step number 4, right knee ahead, left knee behind. Touch your hand, palm to the ground, see up. Very good. Step number 5, incline position. Yes, very good. Step number 6, only your hip portion should be up, rest all down. Step number 7, chest position up. From chest, your body should be up. Step number 8, mountain pose. Step number 9, left knee ahead, right behind, hands on the ground, see up. Step number 10, stretch, bend down. Step number 11, stretch behind. Step number 12, join your hands. Very good, my dear kids. Very good. You all are doing fabulous. Very good. Okay. We'll do Omkar now. We'll do Omkar now. I want you all, everyone, to get seated on the ground or on your yoga mat. Okay. 5 times Omkar we'll do. 5 times. Just be seated down or on your yoga mat. Yes. Hands like this. Straight. Back portion straight. Your backbone straight. Close your eyes. Rub your hands slowly and touch your eyes. Very good, very good, very good. Yes. Very good, kids. Very good. दिगांत सो नहीं जाना है. उठो उठो. Stand up. Stand up. दिगांत. Stand up. Yes. Yes. Okay. Shall we start our dance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Or you all want to do more exercise? Or you want to start the dance?
More exercise. More exercise.
Okay, more exercise?
Dance. Dance.
Yoga.
Dance.
Yoga.
Yoga.
Exercise.
Okay. Okay, 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 okay.
टीचर मुझे योगा करना है.
हाँ, okay.
Okay.
Just a second.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Is my voice echoing now?
Yes, now it's not.
No.
Just a second, huh? Just a second.
No.
Just a second, huh, kids. My laptop got shut down.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can we start with our exercises?
What, bacha?
Can we do more exercises?
Yes, 5 more minutes we will do exercise. Okay.
Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, 10.
10 more minutes. Okay.
Ma'am, can we do 20 minutes?
then you all will be tired. You all won't be able to do the dance. You all don't want to do the dance.
Yes, ma'am, we have to. No, ma'am, we have to do the dance.
If you all want to continue with yoga only, then we will do the dance activity tomorrow with the shlok then. Because I know then you will get tired, all of you, and you won't be able to do the dance. I'm damn sure about this.
Okay, ma'am, today
Yes,
only
ma'am,
yoga.
dance
Today
tomorrow. Can we do?
yoga. Today only yoga. Today only yoga.
Ma'am, this dance can we do tomorrow?
I don't have any problem, bacha log. Are you all ready for doing the dance activity tomorrow then?
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow then first we will be starting with dance and then we will be starting with our sloks. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Just a second. Huh? Okay. So now we'll be doing a mixture of some standing exercise and some sitting exercise. Okay? Okay, bacha log.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you all able
Okay.
to hear me clearly? Because I am not understanding.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my first is squat position. In I will be doing sideways so that you can understand clearly. Okay. Squat position में namaskar. Yes. Hold on. Hold on. It will pain. Your knee will pain, but you have to hold on for some few seconds. Okay. Squat position में namaskar. Then stretch in the squat position only. Squat, squat. मृदु स्क्वाट स्क्वाट में थोड़ा नी बेंड करना है. Yes. Then again in the squat position only, like this only, just bend right ways like this. And ये जो हाथ है ना ये कमर पे होगा. हाँ दोनों हाथ ऐसे होगा. देखो ऐसे होगा. Squat position, right side turn. Turn your neck right. Again ये ऐसा ही हाथ यहाँ पे turn your neck left. Then hand here, right hand in the air, left hand touch your thumb of your feet and like this. Stretch. Yes, stretch. Now same opposite side, right side. Left leg, left hand आगे, right hand से अपना thumb पकड़ो, stretch. Stretch your body. Yes. Very good. Very good. Now, again, squat position. Squat position like this. Then slowly take your hands up. Squat position only. With this only bend down. Hand ऐसा ही रहेगा. Again, raise up. Hand this side. In squat position only. Turn to your left. Only move, huh? Don't turn. Go and turn. Don't move your leg. Only move your upper part of the body. Again, this position. Move it. Right. Again, this position. Now stand straight. Stand straight. किस किस का पैर दुखा?
मैम माए
Yes.
मैम
किस
बहुत
किस
दुखा,
का पैर दुखा?
बहुत ज्यादा दुखा.
Yes.
Ma'am, my also.
Yes.
मैम मेरा
Very
बहुत
good.
ज्यादा दुखा.
Very good. Okay. Again, squat position, but with your wide legs. Squat position. Raise your hand. Now, एक हाथ नीचे और ऐसे. Try to do this. With the opposite side now. Yes. Very good. Very good. Now, this like this, but try to touch your forehead on the ground. Okay? Try to touch your forehead on the ground. Okay? Now, लेग को थोड़ा राइट में ऐसा खाली ट्विस्ट करो. नमस्कार पोजीशन. बेंड. Still hold still. Again, ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जब भी कुछ पोज करते हैं ना, you have to hold for a few seconds in that pose. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, ahead. Leg आगे. Try to touch. Hand आगे, leg आगे. See, like this. You will be able to see Varap. Like this. Do 10 to 15 times. Do 10 to 15 times. With your right leg, right hand. Right leg, right hand. Okay, now left leg, left hand. Yes. Now, try to stretch both your legs. Stretch both your legs. See how much you can stretch. Don't pressurize. Hands down, down, down. See how much you can stretch. Don't pressurize. Hold on to that pose. Yes. Now, butterfly. Sit down. Sit down. Butterfly. Yes. Move your legs. Yes. Very good. Very good. Now, sleep. Sleep. Try to move your legs up. Try to move your legs up. Catch from your hands. See how much you can move.
Ma'am, I could put my legs for full till the ground. I
Yes.
could touch my
Very
legs
good.
till the ground.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Sit down. Sit down.
Ma'am,
Now.
I also touch the ground.
Very good. Very good. Yes. At a young age, it is very much easy. At a young age, and I would like to say you all kindly keep continuing these exercises. This is very good for your health because as you all are kids and during this pandemic, especially you all have suffered a lot that you all are not able to go down and play. So kindly do these kind of exercises at your home also. Okay?
Ma'am, I go
Take
for
your hand up.
cycling. Ma'am, I
Join
go for
your
cycling
hand.
every day.
Join your hand. Take your hand up. Then go down. Come up. Now your hands like this. Move on to your left. While sitting like this. Again come in front. Move on to your right. Again come in front. Yes. Very good. Stand up. Stand up again. One leg back. Right leg ahead. Left leg back. Squat. Squat. Stretch your hands up. Behind. Now down. Down. Okay. Now jump. Jump. 30 jumps. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now hop. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Sit for a minute. Sit for a minute. Have water.
Ma'am, I did 42 jumps and 33 hops.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Sit for a minute.
ma'am, I go for cycling too. And I
Very
play
good.
for
Very
cycling.
good. Very good. Sit for a minute. Have water. We'll take a 2 minutes break. Have water. Go to washroom. Those who ever want to go to washroom can go.
Ma'am, I don't need to drink water. I don't need to do anything, ma'am. Ma'am,
All of you, are you ready? You want more 2 minutes?
Ma'am, today we are only doing Surya Namaskar, right?
नहीं, अभी हमने कितना सारा अलग अलग आसनास किया बेटा. अभी हमने कितने सारे स्टैंडिंग योगा पोजेस किए ना बेटा.
Ma'am, now what should we do?
Yes, now we will be doing again a mixture of exercise only.
After that?
But after that we won't be doing anything. You all told me na, we all be doing dance tomorrow.
Yeah, so after that we leave. Can we leave?
Yes, after that, after that, not now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait, you all want more 2 minutes, kya? I am seeing everyone is chit chatting at their home.
No, ma'am.
Okay, take more 2 minutes. Okay, my kids. Chalo, come back. Yes, come back to your positions, come back. Now we will do some sitting yoga poses, okay? We will do now some sitting yoga poses. अभी तक खड़े होके किया ना, अब बैठ के करेंगे, okay? Okay. No one is saying me okay. Are you all so tired? Do you all want to do or not? Are you all there?
No. Ma'am, we are there. No.
We are there, no? बच्चा लोग एक्सरसाइज करना है.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why you all
No, ma'am.
You all are tired?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So, are you all enjoying this summer camp?
Yes.
Did you all spend your vacations nicely by this summer camp?
Yes. Yes, teacher. Yes,
Very good, very
yes, ma'am.
good,
Yes, teacher.
very good.
Yes,
Yes,
teacher. Enjoy, teacher.
Ma'am, we
very
enjoyed.
good. And see, listen to me very much carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen to me very much carefully. अपने समर कैंप के अभी 2 ही दिन बाकी हैं. अपने समर कैंप के अभी 2 ही दिन बाकी है. सो आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल आफ्टर दिस समर कैंप जो भी मैंने सिखाया है ना आप लोगों को, आप लोग खुद से भी ट्राई करो घर में. आई एम जस्ट अ फोन कॉल अवे. Whenever you want, you can call me for any kind of doubts. We can speak up on the phone. And I have my YouTube channel as Ruchita Mohta. I have my YouTube channel as
Ma'am,
Ruchita
subscribe to your
Mohta.
YouTube
You
channel.
all can do
Ma'am,
a thing.
subscribe to your YouTube
Many
channel.
of my, yes, thank you so much. Many of my summer camps are going on. So I have been doing various kinds of activities in all the summer camps. You all can go to that, see that, and you all can practice that also. Okay? I would be loving to see your independent made things photos. Okay, bacha log?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So we will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we will do dance also and shlok also, both. Okay?
Okay.
Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.